Hey guys, so we've got some exciting news. We made a last minute decision and we're going on a boat today. There is a harbor and we're going all the way up the north along the coastline of Saranda. So yeah, we are very excited, but we have to pack quickly. Alina is getting ready as well, and yeah, my bag is packed. Our boat leaves the port in about 30 minutes, so we really don't have a time. So just a quick update. We definitely will take you guys with us, so stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. And that there is our little boat, so we are on a harbor. Any comments?
No, I'm very excited.
Yeah, me too. It's our second boat trip, so we are really looking forward to, because we kind of know what to expect, but they always surprise, and in a good way. So
and locations are surprising.
yeah, we're gonna show you some nice beaches today, and we're gonna show you some nice coastlines as well. There she is, in all the glory. So I just need to get changed quickly to my swim shorts. Hello, bud. And we're gonna do a little boat, kind of little quick tour. There's the kitchen. I won't be bothering the lady, but she's cooking a lunch for us. But anyways, you do have a little room here. I guess storage room. And a little toilet. Because somebody was using that toilet, so I'm gonna just quickly get changed here. Apparently you can relax here. I don't see a reason why would you relax on the boat much, but there's a toilet. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's get changed and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so Alina just got attacked by a bee. Poor bee, and poor Alina as well. Doesn't look too bad, it got a little bit swollen.
Well,
where's the finger?
it's here.
Yeah, it gets a little bit swollen, so just keep an eye on it. Yeah, it's gonna get swollen.
Oh.
Keep an eye on it. Yeah. Poor
Good
baby.
start.
Poor baby. We just wait for a couple more people to come in. Basically, this deck over here is with the shade, constant shade, so we can hide. The other side of the deck is sunny, and this top is half sunny, half shade. And also you do have that little bridge. Let me just get down
you can
there.
jump from there.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here we are. This is cool. This is cool. It's a nice boat. It's a nice boat, and all the people chilling there. Just get down. Yeah, and this is our spot. So regarding the price for this trip, it is a whole day trip. We start at 10 o'clock and we are back at 5 p.m. We do have food included as well, and we have unlimited drinks included, and that's 30 euros per person. It's really good price, huh?
Yeah, they say it's a off-season price, and in the season it's 40.
Yeah, so it was a bit higher, but because it's not so touristy now, they dropped the prices. I think it's a really good price, to be honest, for a whole day boat trip. Visiting different places, you have a open buffet, it's all home cooked food, so some of the boats or some of the providers are actually buying food from a fast food restaurants and then just sharing it between the between the people, but here they cook because I just been downstairs.
You can hear the chefs cutting the food.
chopping the veggies, and the lady is cooking fresh food. I see fresh vegetables there, so yeah, it's great. It's homemade food and unlimited drinks for 30 euros whole day. Amazing price. Right, so we had a bit of issues with the anchor mechanism, but captain sorted it out, so yeah, we are on the way. We are on the way. That's good. Nice and chill. Probably the most beautiful place I've seen in my life, and that's just the beginning. So this trip will be probably the most amazing trip we've done in Albania, so stay tuned. Okay, so Krorëza Beach, one of the most beautiful places we've seen in Albania so far, and it's quite famous for that. Let's just have a look. Around hills, fertile water. Few tourists has arrived, but it's still very quiet, very empty. It's beautiful, stunning nature. I highly recommend doing boat tour like that, because it's just well worth this money. You pay 30 euros whole day. It's nothing compared to what you get. It's experience, lifetime experience, really. What's up there? Enjoying water? She says it's amazing, so I'm gonna go and join her. destination,
How is this beach called?
Kakome. It looks great. It looks amazing. Just having a little lunch, having a quick break. Everyone's chilling, middle of the day. Food is absolutely great, all is fresh. You do have a nice fresh salad. I don't know what's that, some sort of grain. It's like a wild rice or something. Sausage, all of it is cooked on a boat. I'm gonna have to go down there and talk to the lady who made our food. It's really good. Beach is just behind us, so we're gonna finish this food. I'm gonna carry on. It's an amazing day today. Okay guys, so we thought this is the last bit of our trip, but captain just came up and he said we're gonna go to one more destination. So far it's been great, so much fun. We did some jumping, some footage, there's plenty of music, really good food.
Yeah.
So big shout out to Gabi Tours from Saranda. If you ever want to go on a boat tour like this one, I highly recommend it. It's amazing, good vibes. I've got the best spot on the boat. You just climb up this ladder, got people behind you, just chill all day like that. Love it. I could stay here for another 10 hours at least. Sadly this has to finish, but we already are thinking about getting or buying another trip. You can be sailing like that all day, all week, all year. Right guys, so that's been it for today. It was great. We had plenty of fun. The whole tour was amazing. Again, big thumbs up and big shout out to Gabi Tours in Saranda.
You were great.
You were great. You were amazing. Thanks for your hospitality, food, and the music, all the vibes. And also we met the captain and the owner of the company. He's got another company, so we probably will be doing something else together. We had a quick chat. We will go for a coffee as well. Yeah, so this was it for today, and please guys, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, leave some nice comment as well,
And subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe. You will help us to produce more and better content for you. We see you in the next video. Stay tuned.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.